other Gmail users will be able to see your status if they are using Google Chat and if your Google Chat is active. So if you want to go around and change your status, you can change the status right from your Gmail as well. So over here on the top on my Gmail page, you can see that I am set to away, meaning other people will see this icon right here and they will know that I'm away. But you can go around and say automatic. So based on your activity, it'll show you as active or inactive. You can also click on do not disturb, meaning you are available right here for certain hours, but you're not meant to be disturbed. So they will see this. They can still send you messages, but they will know that you are busy right here. You can also go around set as away right here or set as automatic. But I'm going to go around and add in a status as well. So you can also go around add in a status like out sick right here, or you can go around type in your own right here and choose an emoji and click on done, and then your status will be set accordingly right here. You can also go around and change the chat notification settings right here and allow chat notifications or open up chat bubbles right here, open up bubbles full screen, and then utilize different notification sounds over here as well. You can have email notifications for direct messages that you receive in Google Chat as well, and enable the do not disturb schedule or create a new schedule for do not disturb as well. You can also block out different users or block out spaces that you may have right here. But however, this is a Google Chat feature that is directly accessible in Gmail. Google Chat is a separate application, and then it has different functions and utilization separately. So if you want to learn more about Google Chat, you can access my tutorial series on it by going around onto my channel's playlist. So if you see the Google Chat around over here, then it is active, but chances are you might not see this, and in that case Google Chat might not be active, so you won't get these options right here. If I were to go around onto settings and click on see all settings right here, this is what I have, but let me just go back around over here. Click on the quick settings and you can see that apps in Gmail, chat and meet customization option is here. So if I were to go around and click, you can disable Google Chat right here and then reload it, and it won't be here anymore. So you don't get the active status as well. So to have access to Google Chat, you need to go around over here on to customize and then make sure that Google Chat is turned on. And that is how you can set out Google Chat status and then even change out the notification options right from your Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.